I'm Catherine, your Chief News Reporter for Little Fox News, and today I'm taking you on a super fun tour around the Connie Fox Activity Centre. Let's start inside our amazing soft play. As you can see, our soft play is huge. We've got rope bridges to bounce across, obstacle courses to race through, and a massive 4-level play frame to explore. Hope you enjoy! Once you're at the football and basketball bit, you can show off your moves. And don't forget to zoom down on awesome slides. Quick tips for adults. The blue slide is just for kids, but don't worry, there's loads of other slides you can go on. I'll show you them later. For little foxes under 3, we have a special gated play area where toddlers can play safely and parents can relax and join in the fun too. Our next fun time is Toddler Town, when there's police stations, sensory rooms, houses, and even a little shop. I'll show you that later though. So this is the ice cream shop. This is the village shop where you can pretend to eat food and you can bring it over to the houses. Over here is the cafe when there's loads of pretend foods like cupcakes and there's little aprons you can wear. Our next room we have is Styled by Cat, which is the beauty salon, when you can pretend to do each other's hair with your friends. And over here is the fire station, and you can dress up to be firefighters, and you can even get your card, scan it there, and this is a little ride your little kids can go on. This room is a really nice room. There's loads of little pets. You can dress up into little uniforms, and you can make sure they're feeling okay with that supplies kit. There's a little doctor's room with a little bed, so you can play with your sick patients, and there's loads of little accessories as well. And don't forget that you can have the uniform as well. And this is the sensory room I was talking about earlier. If you were just having a bad day, you could always go in here and feel comforted with all these puzzle pieces you can walk on, and it feels relaxing. You can sit in the corner. There's even these light-up fishes in a fake fish tank. This is one of our last places we'll go to today, but this is where there's these little things you can ride on for littler kids. There's this track with loads of toys, cars, and then a little gas station, and you can't forget the costume, right? You're literally in there. Go over here where the police station is, where there's wanted signs, and you can pretend to be in jail, like that person over there. This is Connie Fox Construction, where you can build stuff and you can dress up with helmets. Our last place we're visiting today in Toddler Town will be the houses. There's Foxhole Park, which is the dog house, and Foxhole Park number 1, which is the cat house. In both houses, there's an upstairs, there's stairs. You can bring the food in here for the best imaginary play. And there's toasters and like all the normal stuff you'd find in your real kitchen. Next, we're going to another place. If you start feeling like you need a break, we've got a cozy parenting room with comfy sofas, a private nursing space, toilets, and plenty of changing areas for your little foxes. Give fun memories that you have with us at the end of your experience. You can even get little merch, like Connie the Fox plushies, t-shirts in most sizes, jumpers, umbrellas, water bottles, and even Connie Fox hats. And guess what? You can even celebrate your birthday in here. You can book one of our cool party rooms online. You can invite your friends and we'll take care of the rest. Feeling hungry? Come over to our 400-seater cafe. It's ready to serve up yummy, freshly made food, drinks, ice cream, and cakes. There's something for everyone. I'm having a slushie right now. Anyways, that's all for me this time. This is your Chief Reporter, Catherine, signing off from the Connie Fox Activity Centre. See you next time on Little Fox News.